This is the Epoch Times.
Welcome to Epoch Audio, showcasing the best journalism covering news, culture, and society, addressing issues overlooked or avoided by other media. For the text version of this and more articles providing truth, tradition, and hope, please go to theepochtimes.com.
Judge rejects request from Jack Smith in Trump case, by Zachary Stieber. Special Counsel Jack Smith's request to set a new deadline for former President Donald Trump's lawyer to alert the government of classified information they want to present during an upcoming trial has been turned down by a federal judge. A former prosecutor says the move means the trial, currently scheduled for May 2024, will happen at a later date. Mr. Smith's team on November 15th asked U.S. District Judge Aileen Cannon to set a deadline for President Trump's lawyers to file a notice under the Classified Information Procedures Act, CIPA, noting that when Judge Cannon recently reset a number of deadlines, she did not include a new date for the notice. Prosecutors wrote, "The notice is the central document in CIPA," quoting a prior court ruling. It enables the government to know what classified information the defense seeks to disclose at trial or in any ancillary hearings and sets the stage for proceedings under CIPA Section 6. Timely notification under CIPA Section 5 ensures that a trial can go forward without delay. Because President Trump's team has access to about 5,500 pages of classified materials, they're in a position to provide notice under CIPA as to which of the materials they reasonably expect to disclose at trial, the special counsel's office added. Providing such notice by a set near-term date will facilitate the completion of CIPA litigation before the May 20th, 2024 trial date. Lawyers for President Trump opposed the motion according to the government. Judge Cannon, appointed under President Trump, swiftly rejected Mr. Smith's request. She referred to her November 10th order, which reset pre-trial dates based on a review of CIPA cases presented by the parties. The order also left other deadlines up in the air pending a conference scheduled for March 1st, 2024. Judge Cannon said in the new paperless order on Thursday, to the extent the special counsel's motion seeks reconsideration and part of the court's November 10, 2023 Order 215, that request is denied. CIPA Section 5 deadlines and all other pretrial deadlines not included in the first batch of pretrial deadlines contained in the court's revised Schedule 215 will be set following the March 1, 2024 scheduling conference. Brandon Van Grack, a former U.S. prosecutor, said the order meant the May 2024 trial date won't happen. Mr. Van Grack wrote on X, "Refusal to schedule hearings shows the court is not going to move with urgency." Bradley Moss, an attorney, also wrote that he believed the trial will not happen in May 2024. The case concerns President Trump's handling of national security documents at his Mar-a-Lago resort in Florida. He was indicted on charges including willful retention of national defense information and conspiracy to obstruct justice. President Trump has said he's innocent and pleaded not guilty. Trial date not changed, yet. In her last order, Judge Cannon said President Trump's request to delay the trial was premature, but said she would return to the matter down the road. President Trump's lawyers said the trial should be pushed back to no earlier than November 2024, or after the 2024 presidential election. President Trump is running for president and, according to polls, is the top Republican contender. The lawyers cited the former president's scheduled March federal trial in Washington and said that prosecutors had not provided all classified discovery, making it difficult to meet the deadlines that were currently in place in the Florida case. Quote, "In sum, the special counsel's office has failed to make very basic arrangements in this district for the handling of the relevant classified information, the holding of necessary CIPA hearings, and the production of related work product by the court and counsel. The requested adjournments are necessary to allow time for these facilities to be established," they wrote in one filing. Prosecutors said in response that the deadlines and trial date were proper and denied delaying discovery. Judge Cannon said she's found the special counsel has taken action to produce discovery regularly, but noted that defendants did not receive classified discovery until October 17th, among other evolving and unforeseen circumstances. She said the developments necessitated a reevaluation of the deadlines laid out by the judge in July. Judge Cannon said, "They make plain to the court what due process requires. Defendants need more time to review the discovery in this case. This order aims to afford that opportunity in a reasonable fashion, balanced against the public's right to a speedy trial." Judge Cannon said she would reconsider President Trump's request to move the trial back at the March 2024 conference. She also said that she could not ignore the schedules in the Washington case and the criminal case President Trump faces in New York. A trial is also scheduled to start in the latter in March 2024. Judge Cannon wrote, "Although the special counsel is correct that the trajectory of these matters potentially remains in flux, the schedules as they currently stand overlap substantially with the deadlines in this case, presenting additional challenges to ensuring defendant Trump has adequate time to prepare for trial and to assist in his defense." Thanks for listening to Epoch Audio. This was Judge Rejects Request from Jack Smith in Trump Case, written by Zachary Stieber and read for you by Chris Rod.
For more Epoch Times articles in text, please visit theepochtimes.com.
This is the Epoch Times.